Hey, Todd here, Center Valley Customs. Welcome back, or welcome, whichever one applies to you. Today, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're not working on a Chevelle. We're not working on a Camaro. We're not working on a C10. Today, working on a little Tessie Tess. Remember that LS motor I picked up a little while ago? It's not going in that. Actually, what we're doing today has to do with this screen. So, I'll kind of show you, I guess, what we got going on here. My wife asked me last week sometime or something. She said, can you look at the car screen? Because it's just going bananas. Holy Jesus, Lord have mercy, a midget drives this thing. Little person, sorry. Sorry. Anyway, we got a crack. Well, you can't even see it. Anyway, it goes all the way down here. So, the screen was just going crazy. Navigating places, you couldn't use it. It was just going wacko. She wanted me to look at it, so I did. I sat in here for about 3 seconds and saw the big crack through the screen. So I asked her, what'd you hit the screen with? She said, nothing. So, if you own a Tesla, nothing breaks your screen somehow. I'm not sure. So, we're going to work on replacing this. I've ordered 2 now. The first one I ordered had like some, actually you can almost kind of see it on here, maybe you can't, but it's like really white around the edges. So the first one I ordered had white all around the edges. Used ones, obviously. I think the first one I got was like 320 bucks or something off eBay. Like I said, had a bunch of white around it. So I sent that one back and I got another one for 400 bucks or something. Tesla wants, I think, 1,500 to 2 grand to replace these screens, and I ain't paying that. So we're gonna get this replaced. So I don't really know what I'm doing. From what I read on the internet, the screen is literally just a monitor. There's no firmware or anything in it. So, should be able to just replace it, I hope. Odin's here now. Get out of here. So, first thing we can do is unhook the batteries, just because. Actually, we gotta roll windows down, so if our doors close, we can open them back up, or get the doors open. But first we'll unhook the batteries and then figure this out. I don't know. So first battery is under this cover. Yeah, get out of here. And it's right there. This one is all the low voltage stuff. Whatever that means. You know, all low voltage. I actually just had this battery replaced. It was actually really cheap. I think they charged me like 150 bucks to replace this battery. When, hopefully the door is open, which probably won't. Oh, it does. Anyway, I think a regular battery that I could find, which is some like deep cycle style battery. It's not just a normal battery. It's got to be so many amp hours and whatever. I think they were like 250 bucks if I was to order one. Anyway. The high voltage is under the seat, my wife's trash can. This just picks up, it's under here, under this thing. Let's see if I can hold this and do this at the same time. Pull this up, kick that over, and then this just comes off somehow. Oh, and that's all the high voltage. So that's all undone. Now we can find, probably shouldn't have shut that. I really shouldn't have shut that. Anyway, now we can find a screwdriver and go after that screen. Okay, so now, I don't know where I should have put this thing up. There should be a thing under here that you just pop out somehow. Ow. I don't know how to do this without destroying this. Just like that. Anyway. It's one connector under here. I don't know what this is for. Maybe like a temperature, cabin temperature or something. How does it come apart here? Oh, just like so. Throw that to the side. Now, whoops. Hey, sunglasses. Now, how does this come apart? Just 2 bolts, maybe? How does this connector come apart? There's one other wire up in here. But how it comes apart, I don't know. And you can't get your noggin in there. Just pull. Probably not a good idea. I get my mobile pocket computer out and see if I can see. What in the world? No idea how this comes out. Something tells me maybe I can take this monitor off first and flip it over. I think I need my 10mm. I think. One bolt. Two bolts. Let's just come off of here now. Oh, hey, look at that. Now, let's take a look at how do we get this connector out of here. Oh, what the... Alright, so this is what we're looking at in here. So yeah, there's no way I was going to get that connector out of there. So we'll take those two, that one and that one, those two Torx out. We got to take this piece off regardless because we need that for our new one. And then I can get that connector out and then we'll start getting the other one put in here. So it'll actually be pretty damn easy. Alright, get these out of here. That. Now, how does this come off of here? Oh, there's like a little clip that goes around this. Then drop your screws. And this should just pull out of here. Oh boy. I don't want to break this. Oh, wow. I guess you really just got to give her the nuts. Jesus. Hopefully the one that I got, they didn't pry on it like that. There's a circuit board in here that this plugs into, and this board flexes a lot, and I could hear it making noises. That's probably not good. So I'll go grab the new one, and we'll start putting the new one back in, I guess. I got the new one. Hopefully this goes in a lot easier than that other one come out. Okay, that's in. That little clip go. This goes over top. Somehow like that. I'll probably have this upside down. Yeah. Let's definitely do. Oh, it didn't go away. Okay, there we go. Got the little clip on. Put this thing on somehow. Find my screws. Oh boy. Oh, there's one. What the? Get off of there, idiot. Okay, that's tight. Now, this will slide up in here somehow. That. Okay, now I need my two 10mm bolts. Okay, now just plug this thing in, snap it in, good to go. Okay, clippy clip. Shove this in here somehow. That. What are we hitting? Snap, snap. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, I'm gonna hook the two batteries up, or low voltage and the high voltage battery. Probably gonna have to crawl over the seat. All right, I got the high voltage already plugged in. Oh, yep. It's already doing stuff. Tighten this up. Now, let's see if we have a screen. Hopefully we do. Should be booting up already. Black. Oh, please tell me that this isn't junk. Just give it a minute. Well, that's not good. Headlights just came on. Come on, do something. Oh, baby, that was making me nervous. Holy moly. Whew. Thank God. That was making me nervous. All right, cool. Now, hopefully all the stuff works. Okay, that works. This up here wasn't working before. Oh yeah. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Good, perfect. Trunk opened up. Awesome. See if there are any updates on this thing. Checking for updates. Alright, awesome. Well, we got that replaced. Oh no, nothing happened. Anyway, that went a lot smoother than I expected. Honestly, I thought this was going to be like a 4-hour long video. I'd buy 5 different screens and be about 10 grand into this. But it works. I got a screen protector to put on it. Before people comment and say, oh, you should have had a screen protector, it had one on it. So whatever she got whipping around in there, maybe her purse or whatever the hell she was doing, it didn't withstand that blow. So if you got a Tesla and you got a broken screen, at least a Model 3, don't buy them from Tesla and pay $2,000 unless you got the money and don't care. But I bought mine off eBay for like $400. Just be careful when you look, when you're looking for one. Of course, this one's all smashed now. Oh, actually, you can even see it though. Look around these edges. Maybe you can't see it. It'll be like foggy around the outside. I don't know what that comes from. I don't know if like the LCD panel is like starting to delaminate or what the deal is from the heat. I don't know. But the first one I got sent was bad, like really bad. So if you're gonna order one used, look for that. You can't really see it when the monitor's on, but I don't know what that does to the lifespan of them. So that's it. I'm ending this. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Like, comment, subscribe, all that garbage. Next video, we should be back on the Chevelle. Actually, you know what? To be honest with you, I don't even know when I'm going to post this video. So, I don't know. Stick around, see what we got going on. I'll catch you on the next one.